Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export specific artboard in Adobe Illustrator. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your Adobe Illustrator and then just simply tap on this Windows in the top and select this Artboards. Now you can see these numbers here. You can double click on the numbers and this is the artboard I want to save. So select this artboard and then just simply go for this file and go for this export and go for this export as. Now here you can rename it and choose the location, then check this button use artboards and then you can enter the number here. So it's this one, as you can see this number, and then enter it here and then tap on this export and then tap on this export again and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to export specific artboard in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.